Today I'm going to teach you a new game. It's called A Pirate's Life for Me. To play this game, you'll need the game board, a dry erase board and marker, the rounding roller coaster, the game cards, and some counters. If you have 2 players, you want to pick 2 different colors. If you have 3 players, you'll need 3 different colors. The object of the game is to, at the end of the game, whoever has the most of their colored markers on the game board is the winner. So this is how you play. The first player chooses a game card and is going to round the numbers on it. So 68, remember how to round. I'm going to rewrite 68 and I underline the 10 because I'm rounding it to the nearest 10 and box the 8, right? Okay, so on my rounding roller coaster, I look for the 8 because that's the number I boxed, and I'm going to let it go. So 68 rounds to 70. 17, I need to round 17. Underline the 10, box the 7. Okay, on my rounding roller coaster with 7, I let it go, so I need to let it go to the next benchmark, which would be 20. So now that I have my numbers rounded, I'm going to subtract. Okay, 0 minus 0 is 0, and 7 minus 2 is 5. Okay, so the answer when I round it is 50. So on the game board, I'm going to look for a 50 and place my marker on it. Since when I rounded it and subtracted, the answer was 50, I'm going to put my marker on the 50. Now it would be the next person's turn. So the next person draws this card, 86 minus 47. So I need to round 86, underline the 10, box the ones place, 6. On the rounding roller coaster, 6 would let it go. So I let it go to the next highest 10, which would be 90, and 47. 47, underline the 7, underline the 4, box the 7, 7, I let it go to the next highest 10, which would be 50. I'm subtracting. 0 minus 0 is 0. 9 minus 5 is 4. So on my mat, my game board, I'm going to look for 40. And I see one. So I'm going to put the other player gets to put his color on there. So you'll continue drawing cards, rounding the numbers, subtracting, and if you can find your answer that matches, then you get to put your marker on there. If you cannot find an answer on the game board to match your answer, then you miss your turn. And when the game is over, whoever has the most of their color on the board is the winner. Okay, have fun.